We use energy in our homes in lots of different ways to keep us cool, dry our clothes, cook food, even clean the house. But most of us don't spend a lot of time thinking about how much electricity it takes to run those appliances. Each time they turn on and off, they create peaks and valleys in energy demand. For solar customers on SRP's Customer Generation Price Plan, or those taking advantage of our new Residential Demand Plan, most of your bill is based on two things you can control: the energy you buy from SRP and your peak demand. On these plans, your price for energy is less than half what others pay. But the key to keeping that savings is trimming the demand or grid charge. You do that by reducing your energy peak. What's a peak? It might help to think about electricity like the internet service you need to stream a movie at home. When just one device is streaming, everything works fine. But if 2 or 3 people start watching different movies on different devices at the same time, they've created a peak. Peaks cost utilities more because they put more strain on the grid, the network of power plants, lines, and other equipment that keeps you connected. So, to reduce your electricity peak and save money, think about your appliances, say an electric range and a dishwasher. Then make them take turns instead of running them at the same time. And remember, reducing your peak only matters during the plan's on-peak hours, 1 to 8 p.m. weekdays during summer and 5 to 9 weekday mornings and evenings during winter. Those are also times to avoid running electric dryers, which are energy hogs. Paying for the grid has traditionally been rolled into the price of electricity. It was sort of a one-size-fits-all approach. But today, new technologies like rooftop solar panels mean 2 neighbors might each use energy in very different ways. That's why SRP and other power companies are creating price plans to better match what it really costs to serve different customers. In the end, everyone pays for what they use.